Hi friends. Welcome to our channel Virtual Insight. Today we're going to help you fix the problem Windows can't be installed on Drive. First, open the folder containing the Windows 10 or Windows 8 setup files and then delete the file bootmgr.efi that is creating the main error. Now, we shall teach you how to create a bootable USB drive which will help you to use your modified Windows 10 or Windows 8 folder. For that you have to download imgburn, which is a freeware, and convert your modified folder into an ISO file. After the ISO file is created, we will use it to create a bootable USB drive. For that we will use Power ISO. The download link is given in description. And don't forget to connect an empty pen drive. Now, open Power ISO as administrator. Then go to Tools and click on Create Bootable USB Drive. Then choose your Windows 10 or 8 ISO file. And press Start. The process will begin. Now, you will see that the bootable USB drive has been created. And so you're done. Then restart your computer and start your booting process. You'll find the error has been solved.